One of the heating devices that you may encounter in your lab is the Bunsen burner. Solemn will help us in this demonstration. This device uses the combustion of natural gas to heat things. Bunsen's improvement on the traditional gas burner was to allow air intake from the bottom of the barrel near the location of the gas injection. This makes for better combustion and happier students. Remember, playing with fire is one of the perks of a proper chemical education. There are two adjustments for the Bunsen burner: gas and air. Gas flow is adjusted either at the gas valve on the bench or hood, or by using the small valve at the base of the burner. Be careful when adjusting the valve at the bottom of the burner, as you can inadvertently loosen it too far, so as it will either allow gas to escape from the valve or falls out completely. The air mix adjustment is accomplished by rotating the barrel of the burner so as to open and close the ports at its base. Solemn will light the burner with a match. Turning on the gas, he brings the match to the top of the barrel and lights the gas. He can now adjust the flame by changing the gas flow and barrel position. Notice that closing the barrel will result in a yellow flame. This is nice for making light, but not for heating a beaker. Conversely, opening the barrel too far will introduce too much air for the available fuel, and your flame may extinguish. Adjust your gas flow and air mixture until you have a flame with a nice blue cone in the center. If you find that you are experiencing blow-by, where part of the gas streams lights and part doesn't, then this can often be remedied by closing the barrel or reducing gas flow. Play with these two settings until you get the blue cone. It is the top of this blue cone that is the hottest part of the flame. Adjust the item you are heating to rest at the top of this cone. To illustrate this point, Solemn will place a match into the base of the cone. Notice that it doesn't ignite until it is brought to the edge of the cone. It is the edge where the gases are burning. Why is Solemn smiling? Because he is manipulating fire to do his bidding, and that is fun. Thanks, Solemn.